Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Neelam and today I'm going to do a H&M and Urbanic haul, as you know by the title. So I have this Urbanic small packet with me and this H&M packet. So H&M shopping I have done in store, and I'm not encouraging anybody to go to mall in this COVID situation, but I thought of doing some shopping, so I went there. Without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So first I'm quickly just going to show you what all I have purchased from H&M. I purchased a mom jeans since it is very much in trend right now. So, and I also like to wear the comfortable clothes. This is the mom jeans, and this is in the size 42, UK for Euro 42 size. And so this is a very simple mom jeans, and I have purchased very basic clothing this time from H&M. So simple basic outfit haul. So this is my first purchase. This is in the fresh piece, so I have not get any discount on this, so it was for the 2000 rupees. Yeah. To move on to the second item, so which is my very favorite, and these are the block heels. These are in very beautiful mint green color, and also it is in this suede material. Yeah, and it is very comfortable, and this is also not in discount. It was also not in discount, so I purchased this for 14.99. Yeah, so very nice, very comfortable heels, and this is not a very high heel. Looks very stylish. I also purchased two t-shirts, two basic t-shirts from H&M. So one is in black color and other one is in the royal blue color. Look at this beautiful royal blue t-shirt. इसकी sleeves आपको इस तरीके से मिल जाती हैं. And this is in the size medium, and very nice kind of material, stretchy material. So yeah, I like the color very much. And the last item from H&M which I bought is this basic black t-shirt. They have very good collection in basic t-shirts, so I purchased one. Oh, by the way, I am not tell you the price. This is in the discount. It was originally for 799 rupees, but I purchased this in 399. And this also I purchased in 399. Very nice smooth material. And just move on to the Urbanic. From Urbanic I have not purchased so much of the items. I just purchased one top, and that top I purchased I originally ordered for a lacy top, but what I have received is I don't know, it is a t-shirt or t-shirt dress, and probably I'm going to return that because it is not my style. So this is the t-shirt, or you can say t-shirt dress. This is high neck. Of course the quality is good. I like the quality. It is a winter wear stuff. It is a winter wear item, but I am not happy with this item because I was expecting a lacy beautiful black top, but I received this high neck kind of t-shirt dress which I do not like, so I'm going to return it. Yeah, but if I can judge the quality of Urbanic from this piece, they have good clothing stuff, but as usual other website also do, they sometime we receive wrong item, and this is what exactly happened with me. So yeah, And I have purchased one layered necklace from there, which I am wearing right now. So I like this. Quality is good, and also it is not a very goldenish color, and it is a subtle gold color. I like it. And the last item which I purchased from Urbanic is a set of earrings. So this is the earrings, very small hoops, and some studs are here. And this was for 190 rupees, and this is also for 190 rupees. And the t-shirt dress is around 650 rupees. Yeah. So the thing which I like about Urbanic, they send the product in very good packaging. If you can see, this is the packaging, and it has the bubble wrap kind of thing inside. So अगर आपकी कोई delicate jewelry वगैरह ऐसा कुछ है तो it will not hurt. And they send this in this very nice Ziploc packets. And the t-shirt was in this packet. So their delivery system is good. That is a thumbs up. And also they send the product in exact 15 days. So delivery process is also good. So now I will see how they are going to deal with the return, since I am going to return one of the item. So let's see. I am hoping for the good too. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit bell notification near the subscribe button, and also like and comment. See you in the next video. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.